Brazil, we did it again. The Selecao is heading to its 23rd World Cup, still the only nation to have played in every single one. But here's the real question. Can we go all the way in 2026 and bring that trophy home? Let's talk about how we got here. The road to qualification wasn't smooth. 6 wins, 4 draws, 4 losses. Admit it, a few of those matches had us biting our nails. But when it counted most, our stars delivered. Vinicius Jr. scoring the crucial goal against Paraguay. What a moment. And with Carlo Ancelotti, yes, that Ancelotti, now leading the squad, Brazil's got a whole new vibe, experience, fresh tactics, and a hunger to prove ourselves on the world stage. But this World Cup is going to be wild. 48 teams, more matches, more drama, and way more chances for surprises. The big names are all in. Argentina, our eternal rivals, France, Spain, England with new managers. The list goes on. And let's not forget debutants like Jordan and Uzbekistan. Never underestimate a team with nothing to lose. So what are Brazil's chances? Our history speaks for itself. 5-time champions, and a legacy built on flair and passion. Players like Vinicius Jr. are peaking right when we need them most. Add in Ancelotti's winning mentality, and I'm feeling that old World Cup magic in the air again. But listen, it won't be easy. This expanded format means more knockout rounds, more pressure, and a bigger target on our backs. Every team wants to beat Brazil. Every mistake could be costly. Still, if there's one thing I know, it's that you never count out the Selecao. The world will be watching. The yellow and green will be shining brighter than ever. And in 2026, I believe we'll see the beautiful game at its very best, Brazilian style. So, are you ready? Because I am. Let's go after that 6th star together.